Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player on NHL. First, ensure your second controller is properly connected to your console. Once both controllers are active, launch the game and head to the main menu. From there, select the Play Now or Exhibition option to begin setting up your match. You'll then pick your favorite teams and the arena where you want to face off. It's a straightforward process to get started with a friend. Once you've chosen Play Now, the game will prompt you to assign controllers. Each player simply needs to press a button on their respective controller to confirm their participation. This step is crucial for the game to recognize both inputs. Next, you'll decide if you want to team up and play cooperatively against the computer, or if you prefer to go head-to-head in a competitive match. The choice is yours for an exciting game. While Play Now is popular, many other game modes also support local two-player action, offering diverse experiences. Before hitting the ice, take a moment to customize your game settings. You can adjust the period length, choose a difficulty level that suits both players, and even modify specific rules like offsides or icing. These options allow you to tailor the game exactly how you and your friend want to play, ensuring maximum enjoyment. To truly enhance your two-player experience, communication is key, especially when playing on the same team. Talk to your teammate about strategies and plays. Also, don't hesitate to experiment with various camera angles. Sometimes a different perspective can significantly improve your gameplay. Practicing passing and shooting drills together can also build strong teamwork, leading to more impressive goals and victories. Have fun on the ice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.